before we get into the DIY, I just wanted to say this is part of a challenge hosted by Hilary at the Old World Home. I will leave the link to her channel and the playlist in the description box. So this is my thrift find, a small children's jumper, and I've been thinking about what I can do for spring and Easter, and then I came up with this idea. So what you're going to do is basically cut your sleeves, so around about here. Then once you've done that, you're going to have two same size length sleeves. Then what you want to do is just turn this inside out and do the same for the next one. And then what we're going to do is hot glue the bottoms. Then once you've done that, you're going to turn them back the right way. This is a really quick and easy fun craft, and on top of that we get to recycle. So another thing we're going to be making use of in recycling is some packaging. You're going to start by filling it with some plastic packaging just to bulk the bottom up. Then once you've done that and it's all sturdy and filled at the bottom, you're going to top it up with some more packaging. So I've got this cardboard packaging, and then I have some shredded newspaper. We're also going to add in some natural plant dye, which I am going to make thinner because this is too thick. So I'm just ripping it in half and then adding it in. Next we're going to take some lace trim and we're going to add it to the centre here just to break the colour up. I'm going to glue it down. So we're going to hot glue that in the centre. Then I'm going to take this nest here, which I've added a little bit of greenery and flowers to. We're going to place that in the middle here. And then I have a little bird to also add in. Next you want some material and some stamps, so I got this from Poundland, and we're going to stamp in nest. Once you've done that, you're going to cut it out and stick it onto some card. Then you're going to turn this over and take your glue gun, add a little amount just in the middle there, and then take a toothpick and stick it on. And then you're going to take your toothpick and stick it in just at the back there. And that's the first one done. Let's move on to the second. Now for your second one, you're going to take some twine. We're going to stick it at the back here with some glue. And what we're going to do is wrap it around twice. And again, just add some glue and cut it off. And then again, I'm going to add a bow just to the centre with some hot glue. You only need a small amount, and then press it on. Now we can start working on the inside. And we're going to do the same with this one to fill the inside. I'm just going to take a mixture of packaging and make use of that. Next, I'm going to take this wooden rabbit embellishment, and I'm going to add him at the front. And then we're also going to make use of these two eggs. I've got one in blue and white, and we're going to stick those right behind him. And then lastly, I'm going to take some of these twigs I got from my garden, and I'm going to just place them inside as well. And then one here on the side, and I'm varying them in lengths as well. And then just one in the front. So this was the before, and here's the after. Aren't they just the sweetest things ever? I'm so happy with how these came out, and I'm even happier that I got to make this out of things that would have just been thrown. I really love the natural rustic style here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please do leave me a thumbs up if you have and a comment. And if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. I hope that this has inspired you to have a look around your home and at things that you might have decided to throw away and reuse it to create something fun for your home. Thank you for watching.